Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video for you guys on this look, and it's pretty much just my summer foundation routine as well as the eyes, because I got a couple of new eyeshadow palettes. Like I got them a while back and I haven't used them yet. So the one that I chose to use today was the Huda Beauty Neon palette, because I absolutely love these small palettes. So I used the orange palette. So it's pretty much all I did on my eyes today was the orange. And yeah, I just really wanted to keep it simple for the eyes, but then I still wanted to add some color since it is summertime. So yeah, that's what we did today. So like always in the beginning of my videos, I do want to highlight a few products, things that companies send to me, and I just highlight them to let them know, that I appreciate them sending the products. So I have a couple of body products that I want to share with you guys today, and I have tried these products out. This one is not new, but I have mentioned on my channel, which is this Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I absolutely love this cream. My husband loves how this cream smells. So the company was nice enough to send me the shower gel, and it is the Brazilian 4-plate shower gel. And it just looks like this. And this stuff smells amazing. I love it. It has my skin so soft. And then the company was also nice enough to send me the Brazilian Crush, and this is just a body mist. So I have all three of these, and I wear these to bed at nighttime because my husband loves how they smell. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these. Like I said, the Bum Bum Cream is really my second one, so I had to go to Sephora and pick up another one of those. That's just how much I love the cream, and I love how much it smells. And I am almost out of this shower gel, so I'm gonna have to repurchase this. And I just got the spray, so I've only used it maybe once or twice, but the spray does really stay. It's a body mist, and it smells actually just like the Bum Bum Cream and the shower gel. So I would definitely recommend the Sol de Janeiro line. This stuff is amazing, especially to wear to bed. Like I love it. So the next product that I want to show you guys is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. And this is just how it looks. And this is the strawberry face wash. And they sent this to me also. So thank you so much to Fresh. This face wash, I don't know, it's kind of tricky. You really don't have to use your face brush, whatever you use to clean your face with this. You can actually just rub it on your face, and you can just massage it into your skin until the little exfoliating beads disappear, and then you wash it off. The thing that had me kind of hesitant about this is as you're massaging it into your face, it gets really warm. So I was like, I thought that was something that I was gonna have a reaction to, or something like that. But I've used it like 4 times, and it takes all my makeup off and exfoliates my face really well. And I have dry skin, so an exfoliator is something that I use all the time. And I keep my skin really nice and moisturized. So this is a really, really nice facial scrub. And if you want something just to use really quick, that you don't have to break out your face washing tool and all this, this would be perfect. You can just massage it right into the skin. It leaves the skin really, really soft. So I really do love this. Alright, the last product that I want to highlight is the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator. And this is just how it looks. And I have the shade Spectrum Bronze. And this is just how it looks. As you can see, it's pretty flat at the top because I've been using it all summer long. And I really like this because, like I said, it's a kind of like a cream highlighter. So a cream or like a liquid highlighter, I guess you could say. And I love just squeezing a little bit on my beauty blender and tapping it on the high points of my face, which is my cheeks, my nose, forehead, and chin. And sometimes I'll put it under my foundation, but for the most part I'll take my beauty blender and just tap it on and wear it as a highlighter. And it has no glitter in it, so it gives you a really beautiful glow from within. I don't know if you guys watch my channel. I do not like glitter in highlighters. I like for my skin to just look like it's glowing from within, naturally glowing. So these highlighters are perfect. He has this shade, and I think there's one more shade. There's a lighter shade. So yeah, I really do love this. I'll have the information linked in the description box down below as to where all these products can be purchased. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off, my brows already done, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11 just to prime my eyes. Now I'm just using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Press Powder. This is in the shade Transparent, and we're going to use this to set that that concealer in place. Next I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette, the Neon palette. So there are no names on this palette, so I'm just going to let you watch this tutorial because I point to every shade that I use. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some mascara. Any type of mascara that you have will do. I'm just prepping my lashes for the falsies. And then I'm going to give myself just a simple line with my Fenty Beauty liquid eyeliner, or the fly liner. Then I'm going to add some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back to start on my face. Alright guys, next up I'm starting off by priming my face with my Ultra Repair Hydrating Primer, and this is from First Aid Beauty. And this primer is, although it is a hydrating primer, gives you a really nice glow to the skin. So this primer would be awesome if you wanted to wear it alone, just to give yourself a really nice glow. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Foundation. And this foundation is awesome to wear in the summertime because it's pretty much, I don't know, sheer to, no, I'm going to say light to medium coverage. Like, it really doesn't cover a lot. So it's really lightweight to wear. next up I'm going to conceal with the Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 9. No, I'm sorry, this is the lightest one, so this one is in the shade 12. This is a really creamy concealer. I really love wearing this concealer. Super easy to blend out. And you really don't even have to go this heavy underneath your eyes as I did. I just chose to wear this much concealer, but as you can see, it blends out really nicely. So it really doesn't look cakey on your eyes once you blend it in. Alright, now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. This is in the shade Cashew, I think. And I love this color because it's a neutral color setting powder. And this powder sets the eye really nicely. You will love this powder if you had oily skin because it's super matte. So that's why I only put on a little, and I always press it into the skin. Alright, so now I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro palette. I've been loving this palette lately. And I'm going to use the top shade to bronze and the bottom one to contour. And this is the deep palette. I think they have like 3 different shades in this palette. And I got the deepest one. I think there's a light, medium, and a deep. Alright, now to set my entire face, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Deep. Then I'm going to move back to the eyes. So I'm just using my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl Pencil, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. And then I'm pretty much just going to repeat the same steps on the bottom that I did on the top. Alright, now I'm going in with this Juvia's Place blush. I thought that this blush was a beautiful color to pair with this eye look. And I love rosy cheeks. I'm just going to pack that blush on. And then I'm going to give my face a spray with my MAC Coconut Fix Plus. Now I'm going to add my highlighter, which is the Kevyn Aucoin liquid highlighter. I just add a little bit to my paper towel, and I kind of dab it, add a little bit to my beauty blender, I'm sorry, and dab it on my paper towel. And as you can see, it looks really nice on the skin. And as I need, I just go back into that same amount that I dabbed on my beauty blender, and I highlight the rest of my face. It's a gorgeous highlighter. And now I'm just going to set my entire face with my Anastasia Dewy Setting Mist. Then I'm going to move on to the lips. Any brown lip liner that you do have will do. I'm sorry. This one came from the beauty supply store. It's a Nicka K brown lip liner, I think. And then I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors times I Love C'est La E, and this is the shade Peachy. Alright, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Until the next video.